Always disconnect appliances before working on them. First, remove the screws located at the back of the control panel. There are 4 screws to remove. Then slightly pull the control panel, lift it up and carefully flip it back. Remove the metal clips by releasing them with a screwdriver. Disconnect the door switch wire harness. Now to remove the washer's body, simply tilt the body towards you and pull it back. Release the metal couplers and move them away from the pump. Then disconnect the water hoses. Be ready for some water to come out. Release the clips from the pump and remove the pump. Remove the screws located on the clips holding the motor in place. Disconnect the motor wire harness. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove the 2 clips from the motor. Then carefully remove the motor. Using hammer claw, slowly prime out the old coupler. You can also use a new one if you'd like. You can find links for the motor and coupler in the description. Remove the soft, stabilizing legs from the old motor and use them on the new one. Insert the new coupler and push it until it is aligned and flat with the motor shaft. Align the holes in the rubber part with the pins on the motor's coupler and install a motor on the bracket. First place back the upper metal clip, then the lower one. Screw both of the screws back. Reconnect the motor wire harness. Then align the motor shaft with the pump and install the pump. Place the clips back on the pump. Reconnect the water hoses and tighten the coupler back on the pump. Install the body by laying in a reverse motion to removing it. Make sure the body is aligned with the metal teeth located at the bottom of the machine. It is okay if the body is slightly shaking at this stage, but it's not supposed to move freely from its base. Insert the metal clips back to their place and apply pressure until they are fully inside the body. You should hear a pretty loud snap sound. Flip back the control panel and slightly push it back. Install back the 4 screws located at the back of the machine. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more content.